Alright, so let's have this problem number 2. So a force P, 100 kilonewton is applied on the system as shown. Determine its components on AB and AC. Okay. So, ibig sabihin, okay, when it comes to component, if we are being asked, okay, so kumbaga, itong force daw natin, okay, kailangan i-decompose natin siya sa dalawa. Okay, kumbaga, um, pwede ako dito, okay. 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 Meron kang force doon, and then meron ka ring force on this one. Okay? So, dapat, pag pinagsama mo yung dalawa, pag sinabi kasi nating components, okay, kapag pinag-vector sum mo yung dalawa, dapat ang equivalent niya isang force lang. Okay? So, let's say, kung natatandaan nyo ng physics nyo, sample lang, okay, meron kang horizontal component, let's say, and then meron ka ring vertical component. Okay, so horizontal component and then vertical component. Ngayon, yung pinaka-resultant mo, pag pinag-add mo daw yung dalawa, ito daw yung kalalabasan, which is your resultant. Okay? So, what we are trying to say on this problem, yung ating member AB. Okay? And then yung ating member AB. This is, okay, this is AC. And then this is AB. Okay? So, dapat daw kapag pinag-add natin si member AB at saka si member AC, ang kalalabasan natin is yung 100 kilonewton na force. Okay? So, with that, I could say that my AB, okay, plus AC, and it should become equal to 100 kilonewton. Okay? So, mathematically, yun yung gusto niyang sabihin. In that way, yung 100 kilonewton, meron siyang component, okay? Component along AB. And then this one is the component along AC. Okay? So, yung dalawang component na yan, kapag pinag-add ko, vector by vector, dapat 100 kilonewton. Now, yung napag-aralan natin, si vector, pwede natin siyang i-gawing graphical. Now, this is now a 3 force, no? So, meron kang dalawang force plus isang resultant. So, tawag doon is also a 3 force system. Basta meron kang 3 force system, tapos hindi gumagalaw yung bagay, or it is at rest, it means kasi kapag at rest yan, nasa equilibrium lahat ng force, no? So, walang unbalanced force. Since iyon naman yung target natin sa statics, so we assume that everything is at rest on this problem. So, kapag gano'n na nangyari, ibig sabihin, yung tatlong force mo na to, they should form a triangle. Okay? So, now, ito, yung triangle natin is directed downward, no? So, ido-drawing ko muna yung dalawang, ang tawag dito? Yung ating dalawang component. Unahin ko muna si component AB. So, we will be having here, no? Lagay ko dito. Solution. Okay. So, unahin ko na si member AB. Okay. So, si member AB ko, sabi ko, gagawa ako ng isang maliit na Cartesian plane. And I will have there my member AB, or that is your vector or AB. Okay? And then from the iyan ko pala kasi pataas pala yung AC. Okay, so dito ko ilalagay. So I will be having there member AB. Okay, so that is your vector AB. Okay? And then meron din ako dito member AC naman. Okay? From the idea, kagaya niyan, wala namang sinabi kung hanggang saan si AC tsaka si AB, di ba? From the idea na yung 100 kilonewton natin is directed downward, sabi natin, dapat, no, pagtutugmain niya, okay, from the starting up to the end. So, that would be the resultant. Okay? So, it means, yung ating effect would be from here hanggang dun. Okay, so that would be our resultant. Okay, and then this is now the 100 kilonewton. Okay, now, sir, bakit ganon? Yung aking 100 kilonewton sa figure, that is a downward force. Bakit dun sa drawing natin, it is now an upward force? Okay, this is the reason. Now, yung ating AB and then AC na to, okay, ito yung effect niya dun sa pinaka-system mo. Okay? So, it means it is really an upward force. Okay? Ibig sabihin, ganyan siya. Parang i-assume natin na wala kang 100 kilonewton. Okay? Imagine niyo wala kang 100 kilonewton muna dyan. Tapos, ganito yung force mo. Okay? Pataas yung AC, pataas yung AB. Okay? Ano sa tingin nyo mangyayari sa system? Aangat, bababa. Assuming wala kang 100 kilonewton. So, dahil lahat yan, puro pataas, tinutulak mo to ng pataas, tinutulak mo yung AB ng pataas, technically, tataas siya. Iyon po yung effect na yung 100 kilonewton. Okay? Now, kaya naging pababa to is para maging stabilize yung system. Siyempre, kung puro pataas yun, dapat may magbaba, ano? Okay, ang tawag natin kasi doon is equilibrant force, no? So, you can have it as equilibrant. Pero we will be having more of this. Okay? Pagdating natin sa equilibrium. Okay? Kasi baka lang magtaka lang kayo. So, pababa yung 100 kilonewton. Pero ito is pataas. Okay? So, for this one, ang tinatanong naman is components on the member AB and then the AC. And then, kailangan natin is the magnitude. Alam natin na ang direction niya is along, okay, or parallel dun sa member. Okay? So, this is now 100 kilonewton. Next, what we have is the directions. Unahin muna natin si AB. Si AB, 60, okay, kung mapapansin nyo, kaya lang that is from the vertical. Okay, kung titingnan natin siya, eto yun. Okay, eto yung 60 degrees. Okay? Tapos, yung 75 naman, based dun sa drawing, eto yung ating 75 degrees. Okay? Ngayon, ang gusto kong malaman, ano kaya ito? Okay? So, now, let us call that one as, para makita natin, let's call that one as alpha. Okay? So, ask natin, alpha. So, that would become equal to 180 degrees. Minus natin ng 60 degrees. And then, minus 75 degrees. Okay? Wala video. Okay. Oops. Ayan, hindi ko maibalik. Ayan, okay. So, we will be having there, alpha equal to 180 minus 60 and then minus 75. So, you have there 45 degrees. So, meron ka na ditong 45 degrees. And kung meron kang 45 degrees doon, ito, again, through transversal, we have parallel here. Okay, 60 on, so technically this is also 60 degrees. And this one is equal to 75 degrees. Okay? So, to find for the AC, okay, pwede tayong mag-sine law, no? So, using the sine law, okay? So, we will be having here as 100 all over sine of alpha is equal to, let's call it as AC, all over sine of opposite niya, 60. So, this is the AC. So, meron siyang opposite, no? So, opposite angle niya is 60 degrees. So, lagay natin, solving for the AC is equals to 100 sine of 60 all over sine of alpha, and that is 45 degrees. So, you have now the AC equal to 100 sine 60, okay, divided by sine of 45. So, you will have it 122.47 kilonewton. Okay? So, this is now the component. Okay? of the force along this line. Okay? So, sir, mahalaga ba yung direction dyan? Okay. Ang tanong lang naman is component. At alam natin yung direction niya is along this one. Okay? Okay, now, if we are asking for the component nito, okay? So, kumbaga, ang kukunin nating resultant, okay, syempre yung pababa, no? So, pababa siya. Okay, babalik ta rin mo lang. Pero okay na sa akin yan. So, as long as alam natin that this is 127.47 kilonewton and it is acting along the line AC. Okay? So, now, pwede rin natin i-solve for the AB. Okay? For the AB, okay, so we will be having here sine 100 all over sine. Ang alpha natin is 45 is equals to AB. Ano opposite ng AB? So, this is the AB. Opposite niya, ayun. So, you have here sine of 75. Okay? So, we can now solve for the value of AB. So, ang AB natin is 100 sine of 75 all over sine of 45. Okay? So, we will be having here 136.6 kilonewton. Okay? So, this is now the component of 100 kilonewton dun sa ating members AB and then AC. Okay? Basta meron kang tatlong forces, dalawang components, isang resultant, then you can use the triangle method. Okay? Or parallelogram. Pero same lang yun. Parang hinati lang sa dalawa yung parallelogram para maging triangle. Okay? So, any question?